from the UK, he says that when I perform ghusl, do I have to make sure that the water has reached every place? The answer is, this can be answered in yes and no. There are places that are obvious, so you can see the hands, the body, the front area of your body, but you cannot see your back. So you do to the best of your ability without falling into OCD. So ghusl, which usually takes 3 to 4 minutes to 5 minutes maximum, sometimes takes 20 to 30 minutes for some individuals to finish it, because they pour water, said, maybe there is an inch I missed. They pour water again and again and again and again, and this is from shaitan. So as long as you've done your best without any negligence, this is sufficient. Don't open the door for shaitan, and Allah